So I would say that the wind energy industry in Kansas is one of the state's brightest economic spots right now, and has been for the last series of years.
You see a lot of wind farms in Kansas, and experts say more could be on the way. Take a look at this map. It shows that 36% of all the electricity in Kansas comes from wind energy.
According to the Wind Energy Association, compared to all other states, last year Kansas sits second, only behind Iowa, which is only 1 percentage point ahead. New tonight, Anna Auld talked to an expert who says that number in Kansas only expected to grow.
Well, just to show you how much this industry has grown, take a look at this. At the end of 2010, there were 10 wind farms. And then if we move over here, by mid-2019, there were expected to be more than 40.
Wind. There's a lot of it, especially in Kansas, which is why some experts say it's a great place for wind farms.
So I would say that the wind energy industry in Kansas is one of the state's brightest economic spots right now, and has been for the last series of years.
Kimberly Swati with the Wind Coalition says right now there are 35 operating wind farms in Kansas and 5 are under construction. This map shows those 35 farms are generating 36% of the state's electricity, falling second to Iowa.
So in Kansas, we've had a multitude of announcements in 2018, not of utilities purchasing wind, but of corporate buyers.
Swati says now companies like Royal Caribbean and T-Mobile are jumping in. While the business is booming overall, there are some opposed to the idea. Some in Reno County say they're concerned about a possible wind farm being installed near them because of the unknowns, like economic impact and how close it could be to housing. Experts say wind farms in Kansas not only produce about 1/3 of the state's energy, but also brings billions of dollars back to the state and communities.
So cleaner air, cleaner water, fixed price, and then of course it's all of the jobs and economic development. I mean, that's one of the biggest benefits.
Well, speaking of benefits, Anna, talk about the jobs. What kind of impact does it have on that job market?
Well, the expert that I talked to in my story today said that about 12,000 jobs have been produced because of the industry right here in Kansas. And there have even been wind turbine technician programs now to get people more interested in getting a job in this business.